Number 1. More than one brain. An octopus is known to have 8 arms. But did you know that each hand contains its own mini brain? The arrangement of the octopus brain allows it to perform tasks with its hand more quickly and efficiently. Additionally, while each hand can function independently, taste, touch, and move without direction, a centralized brain is also capable of top-down control. This was experimentally demonstrated in 2011 when researchers tested whether an octopus could learn to guide its other hand through a maze to reach food. A maze was designed so that the hand had to exclude water, so it couldn't use its chemical sensor to find food. Transparent walls enabled the octopus to see the food. Most of the octopus eventually managed to guide their hand toward the food, showing that the midbrain, which possessed visual information, was able to guide the hand. Thanks to its non-brain, the octopus seems to have the advantage of controlling both its local and centralized activities. Number 2. Seriously clever. Scientists use the size of an animal brain in relation to its body as a raw guide to its intelligence, because it gives an idea of how much the animal invests in its brain. It's not a perfect measure, as other factors play a role, such as the degree to which the brain folds, but smarter animals tend to have higher brain-to-body ratio. The brain-to-body ratio of the octopus is the highest among invertebrates. It is also larger than many vertebrates, although not mammals. An octopus has about the same number of nerve cells as a dog. The common octopus, Octopus vulgaris, has about 500 million. About 2/3 are between its arms, and the rest is in the donut-like brain, which surrounds the esophagus and is located in the head of octopus. Octopuses has demonstrated intelligence in many ways, says the scientist named John. In tests, they have solved mazes and complete difficult tasks to get food rewards. They're also able to get in and out of the containers. The researcher installed a small video camera, and it was shown that one octopus would come out of its tank, go to another tank, open it, eat the fish, close the lid, return to its tank, and hide the evidence. Number 3. They can use tools. Tools is relatively rare in an animal kingdom and is associated with monkeys, apes, dolphins, and some birds, especially crows and parrots. This shows a good ability to learn. Among invertebrates, only octopuses and a few insects are known to have used tools. John elaborates, in addition to solving tasks in a laboratory using tools to get food rewards, octopuses have been shown to build small burrows in the wild and use stone to create a kind of shield to protect the entrance. They hold everything they can find: stones, broken shells, even broken glass and bottle caps. Small specimen of common octopus, termed Octopus violaceus, carries Portuguese tentacles as a weapon. Those tentacles contain a powerful and painful poison. The common octopus is immune but can affect unsuspecting predators and prey. The most impressive and convincing example of octopus trickery came in 2009, when some veined octopus, Ampioctopus marginatus, were spot scavenging to discover coconut shell in Indonesia. The rib octopus has found an innovation used for both coconut and shells, scavenging them from the sea floor. After digging up the shell, the octopuses clean them well with the water jet. They can move them to a new location and collect them for protection. Traveling with shell under the body results in a slow and uncomfortable style walk along the seafloor. This makes octopuses more vulnerable by predator, but they seem willing to accept the short-term risk for future protection. The researcher who discovered this behavior said this, along with the fact that shells are carried when needed, is compelling evidence to genuine food tool use. Number 4. Ability to recognize people and pick on them. Octopuses have large optic nerves, area of brain dedicated to vision, so we know this is important to their lifestyle. Octopuses seem to be able to recognize conspecific, including human faces. It's not a unique behavior. Some mammals and crows can do it too, but it's quite unusual. Scientific American reported a story from the University of Otago in New Zealand, where a captive octopus apparently took a dislike to a staff member. Every time someone passed the tank, the octopus sprayed him with a jet of water. For 2 weeks, one person regularly fed a group of octopuses, while another person touched them with a bristly stick. At the end of this experiment, the octopuses behaved differently to the nice keeper and the mean one, which confirmed the octopus could distinguish the two individuals despite the fact they wore identical uniforms. Number 5. Cunning disguise and escape tricks. Octopuses are probably the world's most skilled camouflage artists. Researchers named John explained thousands of specialized cells under the skin called chromatophores help them change color instantly. They also have papillae, small areas of skin that they can expand or retract to quick change the texture of their skin to suit their environment. Perhaps the most impressive of all self-concealer agent is the mimic octopus, Octopus mimicus. Discovered in Indonesia in 1998, this octopus does not copy the surrounding rocks, reefs, or algae like other octopuses, but disguises itself as other animals that predators try to avoid. By twisting its body, rearranging its arm, and changing its behavior, it can apparently transform into various poisonous animals. Lionfish, flounder, and sea snake are what it imitates. The mimic octopus disguises itself as many different animals to protect itself from predators. Researchers mimic octopuses can use camouflage to escape danger. This octopus mimics a poisonous tapeworm. It even copies the swimming style of a flounder. Scientists even suspect that the mimic octopus chooses the creature that appears best on the creatures that lives in the area and chooses the one that poses the greatest threat to its potential predators. For example, when territorial damselflies attack a moth octopus, it disguises itself as one of its predators, a sea snake. In 2005, researchers reported another clever solution to get away from danger without breaking the illusion of camouflage: get away with 2 feet. In the first example of bipedal locomotion under the sea, 2 tropical octopuses were observed to raise 6 arms and walk backward with the other 2. Thanks to this, the octopus, Octopus aculeatus, could keep its other arms outstretched and maintain the appearance of algae while moving. At the same time, a vein octopus, Apioctus marginatus, walked with 6 arms coiled under its body, perhaps looking like a coconut rolling along the sea floor, but could move faster than their normal multi-armed crow.